Hey Skylin, what's all this?
We're building our first computer.
Awesome. Let's show them all the pieces, okay?
Yes.
Here we go. We got our tools. We have screwdrivers, little screws, lots of wires, instructions, thank goodness. EVGA Build Enthusiast stickers and G-Skill stickers. We got an awesome movie poster that came with it for the video card. Stand by for ownage. We got some awesome boxes we got here from the motherboard, a Z87 Sabertooth, a CX430 power supply. Good job on the marketing, folks. So those make these look so awesome. The GeForce GTX, also an awesome little marketing display. Microsoft, you've done it again. A blue envelope.
And this is the motherboard out of the box.
Yep, there you go. We also have an awesome case over here. Lots of black with a little bit of blue trim. And on the side we have cool cable management in the back. We're going to have a nice looking case with the window. With a window as well. So you can see all the goodies. We're going to have a black and blue theme. Here we go. Here's our power supply, CX430 watts. Lots of wires behind there. We're just going to find things to plug them into and do it. We got a Sabertooth Z87 motherboard, also really nice. The G-Skill Rip Jaws X 16 gig of RAM. Samsung solid state drive. I think it's 250 gigabyte, maybe 500, we'll see. Intel Core i5 processor still in the box because processors just look so blah. We have a Samsung DVD player, read-write, some cool fans to keep it cool, right?
Yeah.
We have our motherboard, or excuse me, we have our GeForce GTX 960 video card from EVGA, Windows 8 Media. What's this?
This is the CM Storm keyboard, and the cool thing is that it glows blue.
Awesome.
And here are the speakers for the sound, and this is the most important thing. This is the mouse. And last but not least, we have the jelly mouse pad.
Awesome. And those are all the pieces. It took a long time to unbox everything, but we got it all pretty much ready together. And there's probably some tools or cable management that I haven't got yet. We're going to fix that later. I'm going to start the clock. Skylin, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, we're going to cut away, clean off the table a little bit, and get started. All right, there's your core processor. Go ahead and put that in there very gently. Gently, straight down, straight down. Oh, don't slide it. Got it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Pushing all the way down hard. Keep going until it's all the way down. Don't let go of it. It's in there. Good job, dude. Alright, Salem, go ahead and place on the fan.
And you?
Yep. I think it turns around the other way. Turn around. There you go. Oh, you get on there? Ah, that did it. Next up is the RAM. Go ahead and put that in, sir. Give that a real big push. Ooh. I'll give you a little extra help. Come on. One more time. Ready? Push. There it is. All right. Put the next one in. The little light brown one again. There you go. Same way as last day. Push it hard on one side. Ah, maybe that's the way. Ah, figured it out. Excellent, dude. Excellent. High five. Cool. Next, we're going to get the video card, sir. Check out the video card. Big. Pick it up. It's kind of heavy. Pretty heavy. You have to be very careful with that. right?
Actually, not for me.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad it's not too heavy for you because that video card is where all the cool graphics are made on the screen, and those fans are to keep it cool so that it doesn't overheat and burn up. That's how much graphics that it takes this computer to use. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM, and that, along with the processor, along with the 16 gigabytes of memory for the computer, it's going to go pretty fast. Okay, so we're going to pick this up. We're going to put it right there. See right there in that slot right there? Okay, this end is going to face you sitting upright. Okay, so it's going to go upright like this. And then you're going to sit it in this spot right there. Okay?
That's a lot of gadgets.
Careful, we don't want to grind it. There you go. Careful, careful. There you go. Just put it in the spot. There you go. Push that down. Perfect. Slides right into place. See on this side, you got the fans now. It'll cool it down. Cool it down. Excellent. All right, what we're going to do. There's our reset. There's our power source. There's 2 pins for power source and 2 pins for reset. We're going to take a screwdriver and touch those 2 pins as soon as we put some power into this thing, okay? Look, I found it. 8 pins. Okay, you got it? Let's see here. Which way was it facing? It's definitely supposed to be this way. Okay.
Do it.
No? All right, let me help before we break something.
Just
Okay, buddy, let's get that last power cord plugged in for the CPU. All right, now you ready to try to power it on again?
yeah.
All right, flip it on. Screwdriver, check, short it out. Touch it with your hand.
Those going super duper fast.
I agree.
Like these are.
Yep.
They're going super duper fast that you can't even see the.
I hear it now. Okay, dude, let's go ahead and short it one more time with that screwdriver. This is the moment of truth. I think you've done something.
There it goes.
And there we have it. Look on the screen. As to be expected, the current BIOS settings do not fully support the boot device because we didn't plug it in yet. But we got it all working. Computer, RAM, CPU, video card, power, keyboard. Hit OK. Hit enter.
Shoot.
Booyah. Can you see enter now?
Cool.
Right there. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go through and we're going to start putting it into the case. You ready?
Yes.
Let's pick up that motherboard and put it on in there.
Yeah, just to tell it's really heavy.
I believe it. You gotta line it up on the holes. You see the holes?
There we go.
Is that lined up?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and get that screw in there for the first hole. Next we put in the video card.
They'll do it this way.
Mm-hmm. Both hands. Use both hands. There you go. Look on this side so you can see where to put it. Right, go ahead and put that in there in the slot. think it's in there. Way to go.
It's turning in.
Very good.
Got that one.
Do the other 5, 4. There's 5.
Not good. Going in.
Good.
Boom, 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 boom.
Did you fart?
No. Jeez.
I smell something, and it's not the computer.
Jeez. Skin.
I saw that. You were like, bah! Boo! It didn't work that time.
Don't keep my eye on you. That's good.
Looks good to me. You got 4 screws in there? We'll put one more. Go ahead and sand it up. Carefully, all the way. Looking good. Good one. All right, go ahead and take the other side off now. We're going to manage all those cables well. That side. Pull this. Pull. Pull towards you. Piece of cake. And that's where we're going to put all the cables on this side, okay?
Okay.
Not hard, just grab and wiggle them through. We'll pull all those cables through here. Are there any more on the other side?
Yep.
Get them through the hole. You just have to pull them a little bit, man. Good? Alright, go ahead and plug that in.
Got it.
Good? Okay. Check. Next comes the CPU power.
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to put in that video card power.
Come on.
You're doing pretty good.
Got it.
Yes, you did. Good job. Plug in the fan power. Got it? Hey, that's perfect. Good job. Go ahead and put that fan in place, sir. Does it line up with the holes?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's screw it in. Is that the right one? Got the SATA cable in there.
That was right.
Check. Alright, now we're going to take those cables and we're going to push them through the hole in the back. This one. Is that the... There you go. Alright, now we got our hard drive in there. We got our DVD player right up there, plugged in. We got our cables all run through the back, underneath a little bit here. Might have to move a couple of them, no big deal. And we got some wires in here. We've already connected all those. We're just gonna pull it back in just a little bit so it looks pretty and clean. And all these we're gonna hide in the back of the case. Excellent. Maybe get a little zip tie to hold that all together. What do you think? So far looks pretty good, right? What do you think we should do now? Turn it on?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the power supply on the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Remember? Turn on the switch. Check. Open up the front. Right here. You were opening on the wrong side. You see a power button? Nope, that's the DVD. How about that one right there? It says power.
No, oh, that's just some
Look,
detail.
it's coming on now, look. CPU fan error. Press F1. Got a blue keyboard. We got all sorts of stuff going on there. Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't know why the CPU thing failed, but we got a seriously working computer right now. It says it's going 403 RPMs, and I guess that's not fast enough. Very interesting. All right, guys. Good job, dude. This is your first computer. We're going to install some Windows on it. Congratulations. High five.